In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Afterpay at checkout. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can complete your purchase with confidence. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect as you move through your cart, head to the checkout, and choose Afterpay as your payment method. Start on the store's website and look for the cart icon. It usually appears in the top right corner and looks like a small shopping bag or a trolley. Click on the cart icon to open your cart. This is your snapshot of everything you're about to buy. Take a moment to glance over the items, making sure sizes, colors, and quantities are correct. You'll typically see an estimated subtotal here, and sometimes you'll see taxes and shipping calculated later in the process. If the site shows an Afterpay logo or message near the cart, that's a good sign that the option will be available at checkout. Next, click on Checkout. This button may appear at the top or bottom of the cart page and is often labeled Checkout or Proceed to Checkout. Clicking it moves you into the secure checkout flow. On this screen, most sites display your order summary, including totals, taxes, and shipping costs. If you're already signed into your store account, some details might be pre-filled, which helps speed things up. It's normal for the page to load for a moment while totals are finalized, so give it a second to update before moving on. Now choose Afterpay as your payment option. You'll typically find it listed alongside other payment methods. It might appear as a button that says Pay with Afterpay, or as a radio option labeled Afterpay, Pay in 4. Click on the Afterpay option to start the payment process. From here, many stores will redirect you to Afterpay's secure portal, where you can review your payment schedule. Afterpay generally splits your purchase into 4 interest-free installments, with the first due at checkout and the remaining payments spaced out over time. Depending on your history with Afterpay and the order total, you may be asked to sign in or confirm a few details so Afterpay can verify the purchase. If you don't see Afterpay, the store might not support it for your region, or your cart total may fall outside Afterpay's minimum or maximum limits. In that case, try adjusting the cart total or checking the store's payment FAQs. And that's all there is to it. Click the cart icon, click checkout, and then select Afterpay to complete your